KUAM News brought to you by GTA. We start with you, Subway and Chili's Grill and Bar.
To resume face-to-face learning, schools must submit a COVID-19 screening testing plan to the Department of Public Health and Social Services as an added COVID-layered mitigation effort by October 1st. Guahan Academy Charter School Chief Executive Officer Dr. Judith Wampat said in an exclusive interview with KUAM News that the plan will be ready and submitted to Public Health by the deadline. Wampat expressed that she is not too concerned with the guidelines, but with the liability.
My nurse was giving this scenario, and so did my principal, saying that, sometimes what we do as parents is we hold down our children, right, if they're going to be immunized. And then what if in this particular case, we're talking about, swabbing the children's, nose to, for the testing. And they're concerned that if a child squirm, kick, scream, whatever, and then, an accident should happen as a result of, trying to get a swab. What are the liabilities for faculty and staff?
Wampat pointed out that in the plan, staff who are conducting the test would also be swabbed for COVID as well. Testing would occur every other weekend for 10% of the student population. Wampat noted that students who don't consent to testing will continue to attend classes.
If we're not going to test the children, then it would mean the children will continue with the status quo, meaning that they would be online, and then the other number of children are on hard copies, that we will continue that at least for the time being.
Meanwhile, a survey recently conducted by GAC so far displays that many parents would rather have their children stay online. Also, many are starting to say that because they don't want their child to get tested, that they wish to remain online as well. No numbers are available yet, according to Wampat. Parents' response to COVID testing will be the determining factor as to when GACs will resume face-to-face learning. The COVID testing plan won't be enforced until then.
It's not going to be implemented until such time that we are face-to-face.
Out of 765 students, some 200 students are doing assignments via hard copies, while the rest remain online. Operations will remain the same until further notice. Since the start of the school year, 5 students and 2 staff have contracted the virus so far. Out of 80 staff, only 6 are unvaccinated. Reporting for Guam's News Network, Guahu Academy.